Hi guys, and welcome to the first video of Cranberry Crafts. Today we shall be showing you how to make a paper origami box. Please click the subscribe button and big thumbs up. Enjoy! Alright, so to make our paper origami box, what we're going to need is we're just going to need some paper, square predominantly, and just a glue stick, like so. Alright, so what to do first is we're going to fold the paper square in half and then open up and fold it in half again, like so. So then we have a cross of creases. We're then going to fold these bits into the middle, like so. Making it a kind of smaller square. Alright, once we've done this, we're then going to grab this and fold it to the center, so where all of the triangles meet. We're going to turn it around and do the same, like so. We're then going to fold these down and like put these down. And we're going to fold to the center. Yep. And then turn around and do the same, like so. We're then going to open it up and we are going to pull these bits here. And we're just going to fold it along these creases across, just to make a nicer crease, so it's more sharp. We're going to open up. We're going to run along these creases here. We're just going to push it up against, like so, like that, and then fold it over. And then going to do the same one here, running along these creases, fold it over and do like this. Then what we're going to do, just going to pull this bit out. I'm going to grab my glue stick and I'm going to glue this tag up here, and then I'm going to fold it over and glue it. Then I'm going to do the same on this side, and I'm going to put glue on this tag. I'm going to pinch it and fold it over and glue stick. Right, and that is how you make your origami paper box.
Please like and subscribe.